I think that there was a recall on that at some point back in the day where they knew that the primer was affecting the paint over time.
Yeah, that was a Honda recall.
Right.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to put it in the minds of people that they've probably seen these vehicles where they got gray underneath and the paint's peeled off.
Yeah.
So if anything like that happens after you've done a paint repair,
which it won't.
I
used PPG for over 10 years and never had any issues.
That's the one. That's the one. Okay.
Yeah.
So
just so you know, it'll never happen.
That's good. Yeah. Thanks for clarifying that.
But if it does, bring it back. We'll fix it for you.
So that's what the lifetime guarantee is. Because I mean, I'm big on the warranties myself. That's why we've gone with TechNet and CarQuest with our 3660 warranty. So for 3 years, 60,000 kilometers, any repairs we use do generally with most of their parts. If anything happens to that and that fails, that component fails, which it won't.
Yeah.
And the first 3 years, 60,000 parts and labor are covered. So that to me is appealing as a consumer to hear that. So that's very interesting. So getting back to, I have an accident. Tow truck driver says, no, we're going to take it to this shop. And I say, no, I want to take it to my buddy Charbel. My car gets towed to you. Mm-hmm. Take us through the steps once you receive the vehicle, just so that people know it's going through insurance.
Yeah. So the car will get towed to our shop. First step, we got to pay the tow truck driver.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
So the insurance company doesn't pay the tow truck driver?
They will reimburse us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there is certain rates that they have bylaw rates that they have to go abide by. Mm-hmm. So they can't charge over the top. So we'll pay the tow truck driver. He drops it.
Did you see my podcast with the tow father?
No.
I talked about.
Maybe I should watch that.
Yeah, for sure. So
he was
Joe, the
about,
tow father.
Yeah.
Well, we were talking about chasers. He used to be a chaser, and these guys that are doing the pickups from accidents are chasers, right?
Yeah.
That's the term is chaser, and that's not derogatory. They're chasing
accidents.
Yeah. Okay, so you pay them. That's taken care of. So then what happens?
That's taken care of. If you're probably going to be there, so we'll help you.
Hopefully not in a hospital.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll help you call your insurance company.
Okay.
So like if you could sit down in a nice office, have a coffee, water.
If I haven't already called the insurance.
Yes, if you haven't, and we'll take care of your claim for you, and we'll get you in a rental car. That way you can go home.
If I can just jump in here quick, is the right process for someone that gets into an accident? I mean, I've always advised them, and I've advised my nieces and nephews, if you get into an accident, you should call your insurance first. Is that the right step or no?
No, if you're gonna get in an accident,
it's a major one. The car's not drivable.
Yeah,
right. Like the wheel's been taken out. I can't drive this vehicle.
Yeah,
not a dent, not a fender bend.
Yeah, if you hit someone and you're able to go to them, you got to get their insurance and driver license.
Right.
And if it's a serious accident, you got to call the cops.
Of course.
Yeah, you got to call the police.